want the job done properly, do it yourself. Everything under the floor is soaking soggy wet. We've had the boat builder back doing some skin fittings that they missed. So that's alright. And been cleaning out the bilge. Cat's doing some cleaning, getting rid of some mould, and I'm trying, there we go, to get some new transducers before it goes in the water tomorrow, but unlikely. And yeah, a bit of electrical work and that's it. Yep, she's leaking like a sieve. No sticker at all. Loose as buggery. So I'm replacing this one because it's stainless onto plastic, which is not working. And I can't get the hose off, so I cut it. And look how loose. Oh, that would leak for sure. It's not biting on any of the threads. Quality workmanship. Redoing these. Fucking loose as buggery. It was a long, hard 24 hours. We replaced more of the fittings ourselves and we are ready to go back in.
Sewing some curtains and using my Kmart scissors.
I'm still trying to work out this transducer situation. The Raymarine Axiom doesn't...
Or you're not in the middle of doing something else?
The Raymarine Axiom, they bought the one that doesn't take a transducer.
Our main sail was unexpectedly taken a couple of hours inland, so we had to hire a car and go get it.
Bunnings and Kmart. And the laundromat. Tried a bit of waterproofing on our Jiminy that is not waterproof. That's a big test.
So my great idea of the butcher's paper was a complete fail. We ended up bringing the floorboards out into the car park, which worked really well. So we worked until 11ish last night, cutting the carpet, only made 2 major ups, which I think we salvaged pretty well. We have rain.
Every day we have rain. Every day.
Still dripping. Still working on the battery situation.
Okay, I'm literally wearing no clothes.
Just currently trying to dry some of our clothes.